So this is test 5.5.12 and we are going to format drives. So using the issue tracks, open the ticket assigned to you, resolve the issue. Using the information found on the open ticket, add a comment to the ticket indicating that it has been resolved. Close the ticket. So this is issue tracks. And we have an open ticket here. Let's see what it is. I just purchased a new USB drive which is at my desk. I need help installing and formatting the drive using FAT32. I also need you to change the format of my existing D drive from FAT32 to NTFS. However, I don't have a backup of this drive, so you need to make sure I don't lose any data. Also, while you are changing the drive to NTFS, please use a new name of data. So we minimize this and we go to because this lady is in, I'm in Office 1 and my computer name is Office 1, so we'll go to Office 1 computer. Let's go to the flow overview. We have Office 1, so let's go to the hardware in Office 1. Alright, we have a storage device. This is the flash drive, so we plug it in and then we format. That is the first thing we want to do. Let's go to the PC and locate the drive. This is the flash drive. Alright, so we want to format this drive, and we have to format this drive using 532, and there is nothing about changing the name of the flash, and we'll leave it that way. We'll go ahead and format. Okay, format is done. Tax 1 is done. Let's go ahead and see. You can see tax 1 is done. So let's go to the other tax. What's this? So the next thing we want to do is to convert 532 to NTFS file system without losing the data on it because there is no backup. So to do that, we'll use PowerShell. PowerShell, here's it here. Alright, so for PowerShell, we are going to, let's go ahead and convert the semicolon label for drive D. Drive name, remember we have to name it data. So click enter. Yeah, this is done. So from here you can see that tax 1 and tax 2 is done already. So let's go and keep working. Let's go to we go to issue tracks. We open up issue tracks and we inform the person that this issue has been resolved. So let's put in a comment here. The new flash has been formatted using FAT32, which is what the person wanted, and Right, so type in our comment here, we add it, and then we go ahead and close this, and we go back. There are no open tags, but we have a closed tag, so this has been closed successfully. So let's go ahead and check, see that we've done all that is required of us to do. So go ahead and score lab,